after doing the whole camera roll arrangement, we'll be going straight to the retouching part right now, which is the proper editing as far as this very one is concerned. So here is the image uh here. So we are going to be going back to it now. So let's click to check it. Now the image still took us back to our camera interface, but since we have already done justice to that, it's just a question of clicking open image here, and then we'll go straight into the editing proper. Let's wait for it to respond. Still loading. All right, as you can see right now, the image is already set here on the workspace. So the next step is to quickly go into the cropping process, which is something similar, just as simple as this. You come to the toolbar here, you see, come to the toolbar here, you see a lot of tools here, but the one that we're going to be using is this crop tool, this very one that you can see right now. You can either check it here, or you just press C on your keyboard and it's going to be giving us this tool right here. So you now come, you click on the image like this, and then you adjust to where you want it to crop and where you want to leave out. Okay, so let's go. Can you see now? You adjust to place the image at the right location. Then after you have adjusted to this point like this, then you can just check here. Can you see? You can either check or you just press enter key on your keyboard. It's still the same thing. Then you go back to this lasso tool like this. Now there are still actually some elements in this very image that are not supposed to be here, but as we progress in the editing, we're going to be removing all that to make sure we have the best results, just like we expect at the end of the edit. Then you now scroll up. Now what you're going to do right now is to remove the rough parts of the image first before we proceed with any other step. And how do we go about doing all that? You first of all create a layer by clicking Ctrl J on your keyboard for those who are using the Windows system. And if you're using Mac, you can just simply press Command plus J on your keyboard and you're going to be creating a layer. Or you can just drag to this side and then you create a layer just like this. Then what we are going to do next is to remove the dark spots and all these rough unwanted stuffs on the face like this. You now come to this tool bar here again. You see healing brush tool, spot healing brush tool, and the rest. So for the purpose of this one, I'm going to be using the spot healing brush tool. So I will just have to pick the tool by left clicking on it like this. Then you zoom in the image. This one is too much. Just zoom to a certain level. You adjust the brush just like this. When you click here, you reduce the size. You click here, you increase the size of the brush. So you just adjust to a certain level just like this, and then you come to the spot, you click like this, you go to another, you click, you go to another spot, you do same, you go to other spot, continue to click until you are satisfied with everything you are doing, to make sure you eliminate every rough part of the image like this. It's most especially the face, just like you can see me do now. All the dark spots and all these tiny spots that may hinder uh the retouching. You are expected to have removed them all, then before you can now go into any further process. Now if you take a careful look at it now, you see that there are a little bit of difference, even if not too much, but at least there's actually a sign that yes, you're actually making progress. As far as this very one is concerned, you come, you click, you continue to click like this and see everything is well arranged. Okay, now let's check before and after to see if we have actually done anything. Okay, you come to the upper layer like this layer one that you can see now. When you uncheck the eye like this, now this is the before, This is the after. This is the before. This is the after. So with this, you can see that a whole lot has actually taken place. So in the next, we'll be going into the retouching proper as far as this very series is concerned. So as for the purpose of illustration and to enable every beginner out there to actually follow up on how to actually get all this done, I wouldn't want to actually take much time. I'll just be splitting it into series to make sure everybody follows carefully to understand each and every other step. And if you have any question, you can actually drop it in the comment section for us to tear it apart. Thank you.